Okay, so in this video, I'm starting from a brand new laptop that doesn't have Conda or anything else installed on it. So first step, I'm going to open the installation instructions. Okay, so the install instructions using Conda are down here. And then I'm going to download mini Conda, which is better to use than Conda. It's more lightweight. Okay, I've actually never done this before, so let's see how it goes. Okay, download the installer. Okay, latest mini Conda. Great, comes with Python 3.11. Okay. Okay, so over here, I think we don't want to do this, and we don't want to do this either. Okay, so mini Conda should have gotten installed. And then in start menu, we have our Anaconda prompt. Yep. Okay, so now we can start following these instructions. So first step is to install Mamba into the base environment. So that's going to be this. Going to install Mamba Forge. This will probably take a few minutes. Okay, press Y for yes. Okay, great. Okay, let's create a new environment and install mesmerize-core into it. And I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. And whenever you install mesmerize-core, it also gives you caiman, because caiman is a dependency of mesmerize-core. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Okay, press Y. Okay, so let's activate the environment. Mesmerize-core. Okay, so now let's do the caiman manager. Install step, copy, paste. And by the way, if you are installing this sometime from mid-October onwards, the caiman manager.py install step is going to become a little bit different. It's going to be simpler, but we will update the README once that changes. But okay, this is because Windows is very stupid. So you often run into that issue where it tries to actually open that as a Python file. So you're going to have to do this instead. Okay, let's copy this. We're going to have to manually call that file. So your user dir, and then the environment name. Okay, this actually might be mini combo. Let's check. Yep. So yes, mini condo 3. Appears to be working. Okay, so let's open an IPython shell, check that things are installed. Okay. It's weird, this says Python 3.10. Okay, anyway. Doesn't matter. Python 3.10 is fine. Okay, let's import mesmerize-core. Okay, let's import caiman. Okay, mesmerize-core version. Okay, and I think that is the latest release. Yes. We might release a newer one by the time that you see this video. Okay, let's check caiman version. Okay, and again, there you might have a newer one than this by the time that you see this video. Okay, so that looks good. Last step, let's install fastplotlib, which we're going to use a lot for visualizations. Okay, and you need to make sure that you are in the environment before doing this. This is the only thing that we are asking you to install via pip. You should not install anything else via pip. Okay, great. And let's just launch a Jupyter Lab session to make sure that this stuff works. So Jupyter Lab, okay, use Jupyter Lab with space. Okay, great. So, like, let's open a notebook, and we can just make sure that fastplotlib is working well. Just input numpy. Add image. Okay, so fastplotlib is also working well. Okay, that's great. So, yeah. So if you get this far, you should be good to go.